It's just time. So is it wrong to toss this line? If your heart was full of love, could you give